Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to unlock Nokia 105 2023 edition TA-1557 model. As usual, here we have here one locked model which is requesting for the Simlock code. I'm going to unlock it using a FURIOUSGOLD box or FURIOUSGOLD dongle, they're the same, and SPD service tool. So let's power off the model, and on the software, on the boot mode tab, I'm going to select our model, Nokia 105 2023 TA-1557 model, and from the operations I'm going to select remove Simlock. Now we hit connect, and all we have to do is to connect the phone powered off, having star key pressed as the software is informing us. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and work starts. Now we only have to sit and wait for the operation to complete. So the unlock completed. As you can see here, the software is giving us the code which we can use to unlock the phone. So let's do this. So let's try the code shown to us. Hash P W plus 51017142099138 plus 1 hash SIM unlocked, as you can see. So now let's check the network. So as you can see here, we have Vodafone Romania, full signal. Phone got successfully unlocked. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.